Muy buenas a todos, mi nombre es Darius y este fin de semana vamos a estar derrapando en Samper. Vamos a ello.
Flexing on these haters like I'm the manure. Last things first and first things last. Gotta give me a bag if you mad, that's a red flag. I'm just trying to come up in this game. Fortune and fame, a legacy attached to my name. Anything slowing up my bankroll. Red flag, I can't go. Red flag, I can't go. Red flag, I can't go. Anything slowing up. I'm just trying to come up in this game. Fortune and fame, a legacy attached to my name. Anything slowing up my bankroll. Red flag, I can't go. Red flag, I can't go. Red flag, I can't go. Anything slowing up my bankroll. Red flag, I'ma do what I gotta do to get me some dough. By any means necessary, gotta kick in the door. These suckers trolling on the gram think I ain't finna blow. They just don't know, just don't know. Tunnel vision, baby, all I see is the moolah. Flexing on these haters like I'm the maneuver. Last things first and first things last. Gotta give me a bag if you mad, that's a red flag. I'm just trying to come up in this game. Fortune and fame, a legacy attached to my name. Anything slowing on my bankroll. Red flag, I can't go. Red flag, I can't go. Red flag, I can't go. Anything slowing up my bankroll. Red flag. I gotta make some light, make it hype, even if we break at night. And even if things go left, we gotta make them right. Chillin' with mom, we triple up, they on a double up. Triple dub, came from the basement, we only going up. They loving us, up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but ain't a cup is up. Toast to my people that's in the club, they can live with us. I know about the triple bus, looking at my watch, spirit bomb, the flash is going up. We going coast to coast with us, see the flows is flowing, overflowing, yeah, the cup will run up over time, we run up in the ocean. We gon' turn the crew in no club life. Hennessy and boys screaming thug life.
nada, hemos terminado la tanda. Pues quiere decir que ha ido de 10. Muchas gracias a Víctor y a toda la gente del circuito, porque nos hemos pasado de 10, nos han ayudado un montón. Y ya sabes, si tienes mi edad y quieres aprender, no dudes en escribir a Víctor a Circuito Samper, ya que ellos son muy profesionales. Nada, dicho esto, nos veremos en la próxima tanda. Adiós.
Cave, I gotta make some light, make it hype, even if we break at night. And even if things go left, we gotta make them right. Chillin' with mom, we triple up, they on a double up, triple dub. Came from the basement, we only going up, they loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up. Toast to my people that's on the come up, and you live with us. Ain't all the